This is the world's largest and powerful AI model image generator, where you can create realistic photos, anime, logo, 3D models, product photos, and much more. It has thousands of models you can use free for any kind of design. And it has biggest canvas I have ever seen. So don't miss the video. Watch till end to know the outstanding features which will blow your mind. It is based on Stable Diffusion model and powerful from Civitai model. I made a video on that previously where I shared basic features like image enhancer, in paint, and more. Watch this video, the link is the description. Now let's know the amazing features of this AI tool. The tool name is Shakker AI. First, go to this website and sign up from your Google or Discord account. So join from Google account. Now you can see this dashboard. Look how many models are available here. And here, you can see the model types, base model, and even time period of model. And if you access the membership, you can earn money by sharing your creation in Shakker AI. Shakker AI gives you commercial use access by this feature. So let me introduce you how it works. Features are user-friendly. You can start from here, AI generator, or from the model. So I choose this model, which is really awesome. See, really? Is it like how it appears? Now click on Run Model. You can see this interface. In the bottom, you get prompt box for your creation. Use good prompts for good creation. Now here you can justify the image ratio, image number, seeds, etc. And also use negative prompts. Let's see the creation. Wow, that's amazing. What do you say? Click here to download the image. In the bottom of the image, you can see some features like variety, match model, etc. Let me show you another creation. Look the quality of those images. It really impressed me. You click on this, then it will create more images like this. Now I show you some images which I made previously. It will blow your mind. Look these images I created. This tool is totally worth if you upgrade it. Not only that, this is just starting. The mind-blowing features have not been shown to you yet. Okay, let's create something else now. So I am looking for good anime model. I think this is quite good. Click on it and run that model. So I created prompts in ChatGPT. Let's copy and paste it here. Here I choose fix face, and you have option for basic to advance. This time I create with basic mode to show you, and let's generate it. This is quite good, just I think it did a bit mistake in the finger, but you can regenerate it and fix it all. Let me show you another model in fast way, StatTune. That's pretty. Now I will create design of architecture. Let's see how it works. Because this is unique feature of Shakker AI. So I paste the prompt here and wait for the result. It's insane. You can see the perfection. Great. Now I will create a logo. So don't take your time, process is similar, just look at it. That's really cool, but I expect more good quality. But if you explore it, you will find the best outcome. I just showed you randomly. Now let's see one more unique feature. So now I will show you SDXL base model. This one is looking very attractive. I gave a simple prompt. Let's see the outcome. I'm expecting high result. Wow, this is more than my expectation. Just look at, I believe you guys will love this tool definitely. Now last but not the least, let me introduce you LoRa model, which is incredible. So go to AI generator. And in the right side here, you can see LoRa model. Look, here some premium models are available in different niche. I'll show you one of them. Okay, I picked this one, and give the prompt like previously and wait for it. Okay, that's nice. Creates an aesthetic vibe in the picture, so must explore the LoRa model. Every day, you will get 300 credits to create, but if you use Plan, I think it will worth to you. And it's very cheap price compared to the other AI image generator, so must check it out. Link in the video description. And like the video if you get something value, and subscribe for more AI tools.